In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a clip in ClickUp, a feature designed to help streamline your workflow and effectively capture important content. To get started, you'll want to launch ClickUp and navigate to your workspace. This is your central hub where all your tasks and projects live, so you'll want to make sure you're comfortable finding your way around. Once you're in, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll find a variety of icons. Among these, locate the clip icon, which should be prominently displayed. This is your gateway to recording clips, an invaluable tool for documenting processes, creating quick tutorials, or simply sharing information with your team. Click on this clip icon, and presented before you will be the option to start recording immediately. Look for the Record Clip button. If you're a fan of using keyboard shortcuts, you can also trigger this with Ctrl+Alt+S, a nifty trick that saves you a few clicks and enhances your productivity. Now, once you hit that record button, your screen is under observation. This means everything you're doing, whether it's navigating through tasks or demonstrating a feature, is being captured. It's important to be mindful of what you display as it's being documented in real time, creating a visual story with each action you take. When you're ready to wrap up and complete your recording, you'll want to turn your attention to stopping the capture. There will be a red button, which is your stop command. Clicking this will cease recording and your video will be saved automatically. At this point, you have options. You can download the clip directly onto your device if you prefer having a local copy for editing or archiving. Alternatively, there's the option to copy a link to the recording, making it incredibly easy to share with your collaborators or integrate into your communication tools without the hassle of file transfers. Recording clips in ClickUp is simple, but it's a powerful way to enhance collaboration by visually communicating ideas or capturing processes. Remember, with every recording, you are creating a resource that others can refer back to, making it easier to onboard team members or revisit past decisions and strategies. And just like that, you're now equipped to start using ClickUp's recording feature. Whether you're making quick tutorials, documenting workflows, or sharing updates with your team, these clips can make your communication significantly more effective. Happy recording, and may your productivity flourish with every new clip made.